Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to use a box call. A lot of people don't use box calls much, but this was first call I ever had, so one of the first ones. I actually started turkey hunting with a box call. So when you're running a box call, most people, they want to pick up a box like that. All you got to do is let the box do the work. Slide that lid just like that. Pick up the pace. When I call up on the left side, because this is a dual chambered box call, I'll just go like this, kind of tilt the call up like this. And I'll do it so I can actually call with my right hand yet, because I'm not very good at calling with my left hand, so I just kind of cheat it and go from the side like this. And then when I gobble on this thing, so all I'm going to do is stroke this paddle back and forth just like this. And that's how you get your gobble. When I'm cutting with this thing, I like to just smack the paddle down. You just smack it. You smack it, bounce it back, bounce it back. You got to really smack it at an angle, kind of towards the edge of the box call. You don't want to be up here, because then it's just super high pitched. But if you smack it at the end, then you get that right tone. Otherwise, you can put your thumb on the box call just like this, and you can just smack it. You can also do it that way too, which isn't depends on the situation really. When I'm doing up close calling, I'll just hit the paddle, but if I'm trying to locate that bird, make him shot gobble, I'm just smacking that lid. Looks like Jake will arrive for walleye fishing in Green Bay. So yeah, that's the end of the video there, and I just figured I'd give you guys some tips on how to use a box call for locating.